Hello, hungry friends, with just a bit over 400 calories, this is a recipe that won't tempt you to gain weight, and with only 5 ingredients, it's super easy to make. Plus, it really brings out the wonderful natural flavors of the ingredients. We need chicken thighs for this recipe. If you want to make more, you can use a whole chicken. Just cut it up or at least have it. We need apples, preferably a sweet one, slightly tart variety, and potatoes that are firm or mostly firm. I have a red-skinned variety from France, but you can use other types too. We definitely need honey and salt. Let's start with the prep work. First, peel the potatoes, and then cut them into wedges, about 4 to 6 per potato depending on their size. It just depends on their size. The washed apples are also cut into wedges, and I do this with this little kitchen gadget. You can find a link to it in the info box. And after you finish with the first one, do the same with the second one.
Now we sprinkle the chicken thighs generously with salt on both sides and thoroughly rub it in all around.
Now we need a baking dish of the perfect right size, lightly greased. And in it, we gently place the potato pieces and apple wedges. Mix them up a bit, but spread them out evenly so we have a level surface. Generously sprinkle salt on everything and make sure it is evenly distributed over the whole surface freely. Then we pour the key ingredient, honey, over it. You could save a bit to pour over the meat later.
But I don't do that often because we
place the chicken thighs on top so at least the bottom gets some of the sweet honey. Once the chicken thighs are properly placed, you can optionally add some fresh rosemary. And I do, especially with the potatoes. Then put the dish in the oven. And it stays there, resting silently, undisturbed in its warm cocoon, for 50 to 60 minutes. For me, it was 55 at 200 degrees, or better, 185 with convection until the meat is done and the chicken thighs are nicely browned. This is roughly how it should look, and now we can enjoy this delicious poultry dish. I love this combination with I find the light sweetness absolutely delicious, and I hope you do too. Enjoy the preparation, and bon appetit!